Oh, hey, didn't know you were there. So today we're working on a BMW 328xi, and we're gonna be doing an oil change. I looked around for different type of oils, the most cost-effective and German-made. You know, it's meant for BMW apparently. I got a little high mileage, running up about 150,000 miles on here. So this is the oil we went with. We got 7 quarts here. You only need 6.5. Got all my tools, wrench, 17, and a flathead. Apparently you only need 3 tools to get this done. We're gonna find out. First thing first, move this up a little bit. First thing first, we're gonna come right here, loosen this bad boy up. This is the oil filter right here. We got a new one in the back. Let's see what we got. Go ahead and open this bad boy up, see what we've got in the package. Got our filter. Got our new O-ring. Mini O-ring. All this came in the package. We'll be using this bad boy to catch the oil. This is an old drawer that I used to keep socks in. So we have the first, you see the small O-ring in there? Goes right on the tip of here, this one right here. So we're gonna remove that. I'm gonna go ahead and use my flathead screwdriver to take that out. You know what? Let's start with the bigger one. The one on the bottom here. So we got the first one out. Second one's out. Bow, right? Before I go ahead and continue, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two, throw them on there. That's the last thing I want to do. I'm gonna go get a shirt so I can clean my hands. I don't wanna, I'll be right back. Cleaning my hands. Got a glove, not gonna use it. Alright, so let's bust this thing open real quick. Let me back this camera up a little bit so you guys can see everything I'm doing. Take the first big old ring. Took the other one out already, right? Put it around. These things you don't really want to break, man. These will seal up the seals so that you don't have no leaks in your engine or anything like that. They're not hard to put on. That one's in there. Then you have this copper piece. And then you have this O-ring. This O-ring, like I said, right around there. Like so. Do you see that? That looks excellent. Okay. I'm gonna put this to the side. You don't want this to get dirty because, you know, this engine inside, dirt going inside, you don't want it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the filter. This is the new one. Shake it a little bit, bring it right in here. Boom. I'm gonna have you guys meet me underneath the car, and we're gonna start draining the oil out. But before we do that, I'll show you exactly what you need, which is a flathead and a 17mm socket. Okay, so the reason you'll need a flathead is to go ahead and open this panel up here. This flap will fall down, and right here is your 17mm bolt. This is the bolt. We're gonna loosen her up a little bit. Once you got her loose, get a loosey-goosey, and this is where it gets fun. You already see the oil dripping. Take this bolt all the way out and watch it drain. Go ahead and let that happen. Clean my hands. So before, when I said that this goes inside where the oil filter goes on top, I was wrong. It goes on this screw. So at this point, we got all the oil out, thank God. And now we basically just working in reverse. So, I mean, I kind of want to let it drip, but I gotta go. I'll let it drip a little more. Drip, 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 drip. Drip too hard. I drip too hard. Drip too hard. You're gonna drown. Alright, it's enough dripping. I'm putting it back. So now we're just working in reverse. Make sure you have your copper washer on there. Help secure the closure of this bolt. I don't know the torque and the specs. How many pounds per pressure per foot. Maybe I should go ahead and get one of those wrenches. Okay. Just do it at a nice, decent, tight, you know. Then we're gonna close this back up. Let me get my flathead. Now basically we're going to drop our filter in here. Make sure she feels secure. Then we're going to line this up. If you see a gap between this, then you know that the black rubber piece just has to be moved down. You know, the black rubber piece just has to be moved down to the next line, basically. All right. Alright, so now we have it on there correctly. Keep turning. Now before I started this video, I made a little green notch where I loosened it up from. Now the last part, you put your oil in. Put the oil in the car. Now this is a BMW 328xi. It's a 2007. It has an E90 engine. So this engine requires 6.5 quarts of oil. I have 2 quarts, and then I have the 5 quart over there. So I'm only gonna put half of that 1 quart. So like I said, you're only putting half a bottle with this bad boy right here. And the rest we'll go ahead and put the other one. That's 5 quarts. Alright, save this for a rainy day. Look at this little snoozy doozy over here. This thing just popped up like this. What a rise, man. Cool. Pretty snazzy. Make sure we're not leaking down there. Okay, we're looking good. And that's it. Like I said, we just and we're done. It's a basic oil change. A lot of people get scared to work on a BMW or a foreign vehicle. These cars are all relatively the same unless you're getting into Lambo or something like that. I never worked on a Lambo, but I'm just saying. Do your research, watch videos like this one, you'll be alright. And that's how you change your oil.